I've been testing the Ring battery doorbell for the past month, and honestly, it's completely changed how I think about home security. It wasn't a sponsored review, I just wanted to see if it was worth the investment. The problem is, I was constantly fumbling with traditional wired doorbells. The wires always seemed to be in the way, and the video quality was just okay. It felt like I was missing crucial details. The Ring's head-to-toe video is genuinely impressive, offering a much wider field of view than anything I'd used before. You get a really clear sense of what's happening, both inside and outside your property. The battery life is surprisingly good, consistently lasting around 60 days on a single charge, which is a massive relief. I discovered that the motion detection is pretty sensitive, picking up even small movements, which is great for alerts, but also means you'll get more notifications. The biggest downside: the price. Premium video doorbells like the Arlo are pushing $300, but this Ring model is around $150. That's a significant difference. However, the installation was incredibly simple. It took me about 30 minutes to set up, and it works seamlessly with the Ring app. Imagine waking up on a Sunday morning, the rain is coming down, you're sipping coffee, and you check your phone, and suddenly you see a delivery person struggling with a large package right outside your door. The detail is incredible. You can actually see their face, and you can talk to them through the two-way audio. It's a really reassuring feeling. The alerts are well-timed, and the ability to rewind and review footage is a huge bonus. The only minor thing I found slightly annoying is the charging cable. It's a bit fiddly to detach the battery for charging. But honestly, that's a really small price to pay for the level of security and convenience this offers. It's a solid product for the price. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.